request Mr. Lito Pareja to please give the award to our candidate number 7 for Miss Polar Life.
Congratulations, candidate number 7.
For life.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for Miss Congeniality or Miss Friendship, a candidate nga siguro nag-save sa tanang cellphone number sa iyang mga co-candidates. Katong friendly kayo nga, bisan during sa practice, nakik-chika, nakik-text, nakik-communicate always sa iyang mga co-candidates. And